Hello guys, I am Kanak and you are watching Ready Steady Eat. Today I am going to show you how to make Rasmalai. Rasmalai is a very popular Indian milk based dessert which is made at home. This is made out of rasgulla which are immersed in chilled milk and then garnished with pistachio and almonds. Though it is very rich and creamy, it can be easily made at home. So let me show you what you need for this. First take the rasgullas and flatten it a little with the help of your hands little to make a rasmalai patties and keep aside. You can also cut it into half if the rasgullas are bigger and then flatten it to give a small disc-like shape. Do with all the rasgullas and keep aside. Meanwhile, heat a wok and boil the milk on the medium heat. Make sure to frequently stir the milk as the milk will burn easily in the bottom of the pan. Keep boiling the milk until it is reduced to half and keep stirring it. Now is the time to add sugar and stir it constantly until all the sugar is properly dissolved. After 2 to 3 minutes, also add saffron. If you want, you can also soak the saffron beforehand in some milk for a better color. Now when you see that the milk is reduced to half and it has become thick, nice and creamy, add the cardamom and mix well. Here I have used broken cardamom. If you want, you can also use the powder and you can discard the broken cardamom later. Now finally, put the patties in the milk slowly so that it doesn't break. Now let it cook for few minutes. The patties will absorb most of the milk as you can see. Now let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes and close the flame now. Now you can serve it in a platter of your choice slowly and finally garnish it with some pistachio and almonds. You can serve the rasmalais chilled, so you can refrigerate it and you can use it later. I hope you like my Rasmalai recipe. So let me take a bite and try. As you can see, it's perfectly rich and creamy outside and it's juicy inside. So do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Also hit the like button and do subscribe to Ready Steady Eat for more such rich and lovely recipes.